I am Muhammad Febriansyah Dermawan, and today I will be the moderator of this group presentation. As a moderator, I would like to give you an overview of environmental damage, which is our topic today. Environmental damage refers to the harmful or detrimental changes that occur in the natural environment due to human activities or natural causes, such as pollution and deforestation. These activities often disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystem, leading to negative consequences for both the environment and human well-being, which is why our topic is very important today. And today we are going to begin with the definition of environmental and environmental damage, which is brought by Muhammad Fajar Ilham Kamoro. I would like to give the opportunity to my partner Fajar to explain the topic.
Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you guys the first point of our presentation. It's about definition of environment. So, the environment is everything that exists around humans that influence the development of human life, either directly or indirectly. So, anything around us as human, it's called environment. So, next to the second point, it's about environmental damage. So environmental damage, it's deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources such as quality of air, weather and soil, the destruction of ecosystem, habitat destruction, the extinction of wildlife, and pollution. One of the factors that lead to environmental damage is human factors. Human can cause harm to our environment that could lead to be environmental disaster that affect living creature. Um, as an as an engineer, especially civil engineer like us, we shall maintain healthy environment so we can develop an healthy sustainable construction. When we have a bad environment, it could lead to a bad construction and development.
Next, we are going to hear about the second part of our presentation, which is the example of environmental damage. To Agung, I would like to give the opportunity to explain the topics.
Okay, we have three examples, that is global warming, landslide, and flood. First, global warming. Global warming caused by the effect of industrial waste and carbon pollution. Second, that is landslide. Landslide caused by deforestation and not taking care of the plant. And lastly is flood. Flood can be caused by many factors such as bad drainage system, deforestation, and bad waterways.
The next part is our last part, which is the solution from the example of environmental damage, which will brought by Muhammad Arfin Muswar.
So on this occasion, I will explain about the solution to the problem of environmental damage. The solution to the problem of environmental damage is 1. Reforestation. Reforestation is reforesting so that nature becomes green and is usually done in forests that have become deforested so that they can function properly. Doing reforestation in the deforested or abandoned forests and of planting plant around the town. 2. Maintain and regulating drainage and irrigation. Irrigation is an effort to fulfill the water needs of plants. Drainage is an effort to remove excess water that is detrimental to plants. So, having a good drainage and irrigation system can prevent flood from happening. And the third is waste management and alternative energy. Managing waste can prevent bad environment and having an alternative energy that environment friendly can also prevent bad environment.
Now we are going to be in the Q&A session. If you don't mind, we have some questions to the end that will be answered by our friend Muhammad Imran Haris.
Okay guys, if you have any question you'd like to ask, I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, I see that some have already asked. Well, I will read the question. The first question is, why is environment so important for us? And the second question is, as an engineer, what is your idea to make a better environment for the future? So, and the three question is, did you think our environment is healthy enough for now? Okay, let's answer. The answer number one is, so environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on planet Earth. Earth is a home different living species and we all are depend on the environment for food, air, water, and others need. Therefore, it is important for every individual to save and protect our environment. And the answer, the second question is renewable energy, developing and implementing technologies that use renewable energy resource such as solar, wind or biomass energy that reduce the dependency of fossil fuels that harmful for the environment. And the three question answer is, the environment today in various parts of the world face various challenges that affect its health and sustainability. Despite program in several areas, there are still many environmental aspects that need to be improved to achieve optimal levels of sustainability and health. So, we think our environment today is not enough yet to achieve the status of healthy environment.
Now we are approaching the end of our presentation, which is the conclusion will be brought by our friend Andi Muhammad Kisas Usulfik. So Kisas, I would like to give the opportunity to conclude our presentation today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Andi Muhammad Zulfik. I'm from Hasanuddin University, majoring in civil engineering. Okay, at the end of our group presentation, allow me to read the conclusion of our group. As we know, Earth is an absolute part of human life. There has three important elements. The first is biological element, or we can say biotic. The second is social cultural element, and the third is psychical element, or we can say abiotic. Well, the urgency of the environment for human life can be as a place to live, to find food, a place for activity, and a place of entertainment. But all of that cannot be done if the environment is damaged by both factors from nature and from human. For that, we must make various efforts so that our environment is clean and livable. As engineering, we must know how to protect the surrounding environment when developing sustainable construction so as not to cause various environmental damage.
Thank you, Kisas, for giving the conclusion of our presentation today. And now is the final part of our presentation. Thank you all for the attention and thank you for listening to our presentation today. Have a good day and goodbye.